Besties, I just had to come on here. You guys literally have no idea how much your comments give me the life that I absolutely need. Sometimes I'm late to reading some of my comments because, life is going on or whatnot. And I just read listen, please keep them coming. You guys just don't know. I just read a comment from Gal Guevara. You guys don't know the impact that you have on me. Like, at this moment, I'm kind of like speechless because I know a lot of times, I come on and I share my journey and I share my journey with you guys. And the one thing that I hate about YouTube is that, like, I wish that there was some way that we can have DM like in these other platforms, like on Instagram. But you guys don't know that your comments give me the push, the strength that I need. There are a lot of times where you guys are pushing me and like, do it. God has more for you. And it's at the times where I've seriously needed the most, because sometimes I'm like, that's not for me. That's for those other people, that's for them. Like, I just sit here, do my little videos, and I can survive a little bit. But you guys are like, no, push. And we right there with you. And I want to let you guys know that I'm right here with you guys too. But in this very moment, I just read that comment and I was just like, what? Like, thank you. Thank you for everybody who comments. And when you guys leave me words of encouragement, that you guys believe in me and you really think that I can take this thing to a level that I desire, but really don't. I'm not even gonna lie. Sometimes I don't believe. I really seriously think it's for the other people, the other great people in this world. But I just wanted to stop and say thank you. I don't even know how I'm going to put this up because YouTube hasn't given me my 10. See, I just got cut off. YouTube hasn't given me, I still only have 60 seconds on my shorts, so I can't upload like a long video. So I'm just going to upload this as a video. Unless it's something I don't know of another way that I can upload something longer than 60 seconds. I just want to stop really quick and just say thank you. I just want to say thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for every watch. Thank you for every like. Thank you for every comment. Thank you for every thumbs up. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for every share. Thank you for everything, because these things, while they don't cost you anything, it does cost you your time. It costs you your care and concern. It costs you your words. It costs you your and time, to me, is precious. So for you to give me that, like, you have no idea what it means to me. And I just thank you for your comment. And it's more than just her comment, it's everybody's comment. But I just read that and was like, girl, what? It's like God was talking literally through her. And I'm a push. I'm scared. Ooh, you have no idea, but I'm a push because I don't want to miss my moment. I don't want to miss what God has for me. I know he has to have had something to lay me off. Not like I'm special, like I can be laid off, but like the way that I got laid off was such a weird way. Because like they don't lay managers off. Like it was something, it was a first that has happened in years. Usually they lay off the staff. And I was really shocked that they laid us off because there isn't even that much work for the staff to do. So I just wanted to stop on and say thank you. I'm going to upload. This is going to be a video. This is going to be like a little mini Vlogmas. My Vlogmas will start on December the 12th. I'm going to do 12 days of Christmas. That'll be my Vlogmas. But I just had to say thank you because your words mean $1 million to me. I'm trying not to keep crying, but I gotta go get my cards, got my email. Anyway, that's gonna be in the vlog. The vlogs are coming, but I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I pray that your words are returned back to you and to your. I keep getting cut off. This was supposed to be short, so I'm just gonna say thank you, and I will see you guys tonight. I'm gonna be talking about credit. On how I improved my credit. I had a credit score of, I think it was like 580. And now I have a credit score of 705. So I want to talk about what I did and what worked for me. I'm no credit expert, but I'm just going to share what worked for me. But I love you guys so much. Have a blessed day. And I pray that God gives you everything that your heart desires. Love you guys. Peace out.